Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's useful tip number 2. We're going to use straight edges, a ruler, a piece of cardboard, old cards, and they're wonderful for making marks. Now, if you already have a surface, you can scrape through. You can make little lines like this, depending on the size of your tool. This is really fun. The other thing you can do is use your ruler, and the ruler does the same thing, it just does it in a bigger way. This ruler needs a flat surface to do that. Now, if you don't have a ruler, you don't have a credit card, you can just use a piece of cardboard like this, and it does the same thing. And you can just scrape. See, that's really interesting. Makes great marks. Really adds to your painting. So have fun with this, and we'll see you in the next video.